Now, what do we do if you want to say, oh, no, I'm not well? Someone says or asks you, are you okay? And you want to say, no, I'm not well. You would say, no. No is the word for no and not. So, no, I am not, in Portuguese is no, I não am. So, não, eu não tô bem. So, no, I know or I not am well. So, não, eu não estou bem. So, the not always comes before the verb, okay? Eu não estou bem. You are not well. Você não está bem. He is not fine. Ele não está bem. She is not well. Ela não está bem. You guys are not well. Vocês não estão bem. They are not well. Eles ou elas não estão bem. And if you are saying no, they are not, não, eles não estão bem. Remember, you are going to need não twice. Alright? So now we know the answer for later on when we learn how to say, how are you? And you say, eu estou bem. Or, eu não estou bem. And our next topic is about the articles, the definite articles. You know that in Portuguese we have genders. So everything is either masculine or feminine. So when someone says the table, the car, they are going to put it in the masculine or in the feminine form according to the word. First of all, so how do we say the in Portuguese? So the in Portuguese is o, a, os, as. Okay? O and os is the the masculine singular and the masculine plural. A and as is the feminine singular and plural. Okay? How do I know if the word is masculine or feminine? The very basic of genders, masculine and feminine, is if the word ends in O, in the vowel O, it is likely to be masculine. If it ends in A, it is likely to be feminine. And of course, lots of exceptions in between. And if you want to make the cars, put it in plural, then you add S everywhere there. Yeah? If they end in a vowel, for example. So, the car in Portuguese is carro. Carro. Double R has sound of 8, okay? In Portuguese. Clear? So, the car, o carro. The cars, os carros. Casa, the house, a casa. So look, casa ends in A, it's likely to be feminine, so a casa, the house. Alright? And the plural form is as casas. Very good. Now we know. Of course, there will be lots of exceptions, like some words will end in A and they're actually masculine. And some will end in different vowels or different letters of the alphabet. Okay? And when that happens, you will learn. Don't worry about it. If you make a mistake, someone will help you. Alright? So now we know how to say the. And this is very important right now because we are going to learn the family tree. Clear? Another lesson done. Yes? So stop this video, recap as many times as you need, and then move on to your next lesson. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done. Hit that like button down here and spread the news. Share these videos with your friends so everybody else can also take the advantage of learning Brazilian Portuguese. I'll see you for your next lesson. Ciao, ciao.